Anopai me pasa ye share afutusam tiawa bi na me prepare ma school for ya mobile na ye nyina betumi anya eho emfaso. Anopai me pasa ye gina nyame aseme so na me de kan bibi kakra ade eboa ewo school a mo bewie anchakra no ho. Na ye ne aka gina so betumi anya eho emfaso ebi. Mo amutate me nim say Psalm 139 verses 13 and 14 one of my favorite passages in the Bible. Na ohin David say okasa fa onyankopon ho ene odo a onyame ededo yen ene nia onyame aye ede ama yen adasama no. O say, for you formed my inward parts. You covered me in my mother's womb. I will praise you, for I am fearfully and wonderfully made. Marvelous are your works, and that my soul knows very well. Kasa emu edu na me de ye papa. Now David apasa oka den asamtenti a oka wa ha nyina no awieye ene se onyankopon ewo odo soronko bi ade mayen adasama oyi odo no adi ewo ekwan awofa aso a ode boyen. He formed our inward parts. Se onyankopon se uba yen nipa yemu a niama ewo yemu nyina no onyankopon na oyoye. Nesesa onipa biara etesa asem no ase. Se woye abranche anasa babawa na wo school na wo bewie ewo sa kwan so a etwasa yede the best thing in life a chow. And the best thing in life I betimi dia chow any the knowledge of God. Onyankopon eho nimde. So here is an acknowledgement coming from Ohini David. Oka se onyankopon eye wo na wo bo me. Na wa mo me honam enipa de won ani hu e wa bonte no enko akeke. But you also formed my inward parts. Anu kwa yesi egina ho a ebegina ho amade ache. Our inward parts. Ye nipa dua no mu inside ho no. Niema ewo mu nyina onyame ne boy. So probably the natural question be say, now what is inside of me? Utiwe ade na wo mu ya yesi onyankopon na oyoye. Mo ya science no. Sa ye ka intestines ewo enipa mu a nipa nso no. The longest intestine na ewo enipa mu no. Yes na tenten ya sai. Sa wonim na wodwene ho kwa kiri na wo so na wotwe mu say ya hwe say sa ne ma nyina gu ye mo a still wodi gina ho na wonye unfail overloaded na edi adanse say onyankopon ni hohu wo akoma ewo your inward part akoma asha woyam sa ne beka no wotwi mu wo lungs wo liver wo kidneys ni nyina ewo yafri mu na eniema ewo nipa mu wankasa wotewe say ebiem de kyerwa wa hwe ya woni dida woni di biem but eno na ade tiwe sade obehuri akọ obekyerkyere ho afa ne ade nyina no ensono egu yam efisi a wo wei unyini nkodu akiri bi ade nanso wakoma ehya asese eye adwuma no en stop order wenum eye niema edi adanse ekire onyankopon edo a owo edemayen adasama ene dwen a odwen awo yen ho. Again, when we science in the biology now, you bisa question say, how many bones and I want enipa duamu? Numpa he and I want enipa duamu. Now to say can numpe dodoa we are made up of eba yo nwanwa. You better bisa say numpe kakraka I want enipa mu no ede de wo he. na dompe ketekete a ɛwɔ enipa mu no ɛno ɛne deɛ ɔhen onyankopɔn ɛna wayɛ saa nneɛma weenum nyinaa na ɔyɛ ɛnam sɛ ɔdɔ yɛn adasama enti ɛna ɔyɛ saa. As a result of this, David said, I will praise you. Saa deɛ wɔyɛ a onyankopɔn wayɛ enti no meyi wayɛ. Obi ba so na sɛ yɛtɔ nnwom a na ɔtɔ gye sɛ ɔyɛ ababaawa ama ababaawa wɔn nsono gu yam na adete ya ɔyɛ aberanteɛ no a yɛto nnwuma yi onyankopɔn ayɛ a wo sɛ wɔnyɛ. David ɛyɛ ɔhene na ɔtena se ɛhyɛ de onyankopɔn ayɛ ɛde ama yɛn by way of creation, how he formed us ɛne ade a ɔse na ɛfɔ so no sɛ ɛtwa sɛ ɔtumi ɛyi onyankopɔn ayɛ. Because I am fearfully and wonderfully made. Ɛfiri sɛ ɛka me onipa sɛ menam asase so yi a mehu ohu papa mehu ohu nneɛma a onyankopɔn de ayɛ ɛma masɔre agyina me naso sɛ a me ne ɛkasa no. Oh, I am fearfully and wonderfully made. Meka na nkurɔfoɔ ɛsere kane electrician foɔ no ɔmo de ɔmo ho wane sesa a sɛdeɛ ɛsa hɔ yi sɛ yɛ a homa no ɛbiabiada no ho kama sɛ ɔmo se conduit nti wɔde ahoma no hyehyɛ ɛdan no mu ma ɛbɛsi dan no nyinaa bɛwie no light asɔdeɛ nanso wohu sɛ ahoma biara ɛsensansensan hɔ. Ihu onyankopɔn ne di kan yɛ saa deɛ no nti wohwɛ wo nsa ho a ɔn sɛ ntin wode fa nsa fa hahwɛ ntin bi wɔ hɔ na dɔktafoɔ yɛpɛ ne ade nsu ama wa ne yɛhwehwɛ saa ntin no kakraka no ne yɛde paneɛ bi awom na ntin no atumi afa mu de akɔ. Ɛyɛ dɛn na dɔktafoɔ hu sɛ saa ntin no sɛ yɛde paneɛ wɔ na yɛde biribi ɛfa mu a ebetumi aboa wo ɛwɔ wo system mu ɔmo yɛ de hu yɛ. Oh, you are wonderfully and fearfully made by God. Onyankopɔn na ɔyɛ wo saa. And sɛ ɛma wo so ne yɛde wo ti bɛsi hɔ nom sɛ yɛ check your brain adwene ɛwɔ nipa tiri mu sɛ yɛsɛ yɛ check ne yɛakyerɛ ɔkwan yɛ nam so a saa nneɛma wɔ nyinaa aka bom baako ne yɛfrɛ no adwene ɛma obi ka asɛm a na wadwene ho akɔ akyiri na wokae asɛm a ɛsi yɛbɛsɛ 10 years ago ɛne ade ɛyɛ dɛ ne nyankopɔn yɛ saa nneɛma wɔ enum nyinaa ohu ohu papa ɛna wonam asase so sɛ yɛdan yɛni ɛhwɛ yɛde ɔsefagas baabi yɛmene aduane ɛde fa wotra se dwene wo hu sɛ ɛyɛ dɛn na nyankopɔn yɛ metɛkrɛma a sɛ biribi tɔ so a ɛda mete nka sɛ adeɛ no ɛɛdɛ ɛyɛ nwow a mete nka sɛ ɛɛnwow ɛyɛ bisibisi a mete nka sɛ ɛyɛ bisibisi and then ɔyɛ me se ɛnso so ɛma me bɛdidi a mewe adeɛ no nyinaa na afe ɛwɔ m'anum ha na afei biribi bi atumi asi na mamene na adeɛ no na maha na akɔ gu me yam na manum nsu ataa ho wɔ me yam hɔ. Oh, dwene saa de ma no nyinaa ho. You are fearfully and wonderfully created by God. Na doctor for and nurses for a omunya kwan ewura enipa dua mu no sɛ obie so television yi na sɛ yɛ obi operation na yɛ bie so kyerɛ wa afei na ɔmpɛ sɛ wohwɛ adeɛ no koraa but saa na nipa sɛdeɛ wobɔbea no ɛteɛ no saa pɛpɛɛpɛ na ɛteɛ. Ɔhene David ɛse onyankopɔn adeɛ a wayɛ yi ɛso marvelous are your works and that my soul knows very well. Onyankopɔn enwuma a wayɛ ɛde ama yɛn adasama no ɛyɛ adeɛ a ɛnwanwa yie papaapa ɛwɔ ewiase. Na ɔse me kra, even though my body can refuse to accept that, my soul is aware of that 100%. And upon Basa all can say, you are fearfully and wonderfully created. Sir, would you know who now tells us, sir? Would you know we are machine, a very complex machine. Pa and our names as I saw. Yankupon and washa dan waya osa and our nam ibiase. The ambassador was said, you should go ahead and make your difference in this world. Onipa biara obetra sa asase so a hwehwɛ ekwan bia obetumi afa so a obetumi a make a positive contribution ɛwɔ ewiase a obetena mu. Ewiase de ɛso. Nemo obia wɔ ni wiase kakra bi a ɔtim to obroni sɛ brighten the corner where you are. Baabi na wote no nso wiase no. Enti dia ade na obetumi ayɛ ɛbra onyankopɔn abɔ wo ho anwanwa onyankopɔn di nneɛma bebree ɛna ayɛ wɔ. You are capable of doing a lot of things. What kind of difference? You must leave a legacy before you die. As I said, now when you are a young person, let's say the same way show trim, let's also the two. Why actually has said, I have to make an impact. I have to make a difference in this world before I die. And can you know politics? One of the things and so that yene abrafo entemnie said ye need politics ho ani ade a free anopakosi anwumre Ghana radio ubia enya NDC aye MPP no abrafo said ni adaje wasade no. Remember 2004 ebra oto aba ema George Bush and Associated Press, a newspaper kese in America. Wamu ekojina New York City. Babia business ekosopa Wall Street. And wamu interview amount for. Sabra no ya to abano 3 days no am ye declare say George Bush warini. Associated Press ebisa enkrofo besa 100 say. The new president noa Yatu aba amano no. Your friend is saying 85% of a Nippon ebisa omono omo hu George Bush din. No money din. Na say because politics no said e omo ani abre wo ho no ono wote wo no odwen ho. Anya politics no odwen ho. Wo odwen ho say one na yire ene ne ma ebetumi anya bibi wo sa asase so na se wo wu papa no wu a ne ma ebetumi atoa so ama wo nso wu a omo ma beto atoa so saa de akọ odofo a wutie men kasa wukọ eso asa ya egu ho enyina edin a de da cars no eso ni nyina no over 99.9% eye enipa din de me chane say Honda papa bi e wo Japan ene fa no Mr Honda enipa din Hyundai obi din Kia obi ni dia Toyota obi din Datsun nipa din Nissan nipa din Okwanya abrofo afaso a omde develop e wo wiase no eno no an economy that is based on families papa ene ne yire ene ne ma a opese wo ye bibi esi ho na eye enka yedum ode boa ne yire ne ma na ade omo ye no so ebeboa community abi before ntesa ye de ye ntesa ye pede ebedi no ne ne awuo enti ye be sai ade no a ye be sai no ne awuo aguso na ye jabi bia wo ho na ye te baabi ani bere a abrofo e de ehwe adwuma a won aye e wasase so no eje sa ni bere no na ba Africa uhu Uncle Joe electrical de ben almost every time I will ko rasta shop ho no na Uncle Joe no ye den no te ho wo ba bibre mu a ye ka Uncle Joe electrical something abako no ni ho no nam ha no obi to dame no obi to spa e de asem a oni adwuma pani odafa wo teme enti opportunities and opportunity aba e de amawo say bra school na bra ne free na aba no aba na mu 2 years ara ho sam say mu bi o ha na 2 years no wo anya mfa so bi am free so wo ka say 2 years no e 10 years aso time no so a school mu ho wo ntena ho wo free dotiem na dotiem na abasa akọ ba bia wo free baaye no e hwa na abasa ye den akọkọ na obi foforo so nye den emra it is 2 years no better ha be di agora afi woni be ba wo so no this will be the shortest 2 years in your time e bra nya me de bo wo nyina no be ka say 2 years we de oh dabi abantem dodo arante bia wante brofo na okọ choba na papa bia ote brofo ko gina ho say ope enumpe enumpe na odi akoma ne nkraman to ko na oh me hia some bones kakra na me de akọ na ma nti obi aba omo won nkraman ne ade em so e ho no mo da bones no ti obi aba bones na yi bones na de egu ade em no check ka yi bones na won te brofo edu no so a me pa wo hia de wase ma bones na de yi bones na ade yi na egu sa fe o hema me na me bones de no mpe nko a na bonsu ka say there me bonsu de no mpem kwa na ade ma me ade ntia eni sa wan hwe ni ya wo life mu 2 years no ya ka ho asem no maame papa wo hu say wa waste your time e was asase so na so yankopon boa o e ma wo take enema seriously enso so de a wo hu say emfie mienu na wo bedi ye no e ho aba emfaso kese e de ama o na de me de sha won sa no say sua aborofo esuban no say adwuma no ye se wo de a ye ba ye hu say wo de a wo te ho na wo ye adwuma nso so adwuma ya wo de a ye nka ye nan entim so na ye mubuya mawre e wo adwuma adwuma ko na wo so wo ye no hwem na ye efisa onyankopon betumi ahyiraw e wo adwuma biara a wo ye e wo saa asase so se say me person bisa ena no pese wo hye se de onyankopon bo wo onyame abo brainsi ema brainsi etumi ye niam ahodo bebre and we were discussing remote control systems sir we gina hono ma na wa mi habibi so epono Britain Europe ni America say wo de car ekowura ufia ya no inbuilt e wo car ni mu me car na bi wo ya de no wo mtie ya na program wo garage no gate no ya program ya maka no enti sa wo ba be wura efia hono say pa wo mi habibi so e wo car ni mu a e wo ansa wo garage gate na eno ana e den na ebue hono ehunu say nipa brain a onyankopon de amaye no enya sam ketwa enya bibi ni brain a wo de be plan okwan obefa so a obebo obidua me pan obepa o wo bodua obetena se na wa use brain no onyankopon de ama no so wonfanya bribi a ebeboa na a shape ewiase enyina no ene nko obesa no before no odafo pa a wotie me enipa a ewo ewiase mu bebre ayusu wo mu brains e de ade munya kwan mu call internet eso a jai Facebook kakra na Google papa no a wo de internet revolution abewiase no Bill Gates. Currently he is the richest man in the world, but me person who call now accessing the history about Bill Gates. No ya juma amobi. Why ya juma amobi for so many years. And afei onya sa adwene we say me ye ni say ya ebeye yi. Ana enne computers who be as Microsoft Corporation. Bill Gates or you ni part of wo enemy or you so ni brains or therefore with me. And the brains and yankopon dia maye no yemfa nwene bone wo de dwene bone obe develop bone no watenam wo de dwene papa obe develop papa no watenam. Unfortunately for us in Africa adwen bone pa ya no obi ye na se ensa no de na one time ye besa no man ho adwiri no or of pa a wo me. Bill Gates aye adwuma or your civil servant tina office bia ya adwuma sa ana enna onyankopon adom no ana what revolutionize the whole world. Abrante no the Facebook e ba ya enna obi the Facebook or the any fie abrante na aba no what you sa try was so precious time. Baby am person wo gine ho ko ne say abrante no the Facebook e ba Facebook agi wiase nyina aboso no. Are you aware say or you less than 35 years? Are you aware? Or you less than 35 years of age? On the Facebook abe wiase. What jiskasa brain on yankopon de ma ye no say abetena se na ya ambitious say pese ye bribi e be revolutionize ye wiase enyina no ya before bebre no ye mpene sa tiniema nketenkete sabe nkwala niema ene ye da ho a ne yatim sa dwenu sa o kan krofo ho nsam sa dwenu so a o dwen eniema e wo wiase ho e be ye kese pa uni adage e wo niema nketenkete ho enti adwene nketenkete e discuss people sa wadwen no sabe se develop ya wono adamfo hia bia obi ho asem na moka wo bo amena wo mobo na woni muntra wono adamfo hia bia adamfo na mo afa no eye sa enoma o muntakra se no eno mutubom Uno adam for no. Just say, Mushia Mubia, no more of be once about that discuss it. At the same way we are conclusion is that Adriano is suck. You suck. To discuss people. Odafopa awutie Sao transna sa odwene ho bisa ho se okwan onyankopon fa so wabo enipa ene the way awa yeyen ene niema e wasase so eniema e wasase so odafo awutie wo ko gina Times Square e wo New York City na wo gina abrosan ba ko ase a wo hwe ne din a wonim sa eda no ebebu abo kwa tin na obo se Klaus no a etwa mo ho no wo ya waka sa dan no mum na den na ewo so onipa dasani ene si sa dan no odi adwene a ehu onyankopon de ama no ene odi tena ase e plan ye ene o ye ena abaso wo ko New York City baby a Ghana for ekwatata New York City baby a foreigners etena na what they for no Bronx no truly speaking the Bronx our New York City no to say Zongo in Ghana Zongo no na here for betumi atena apartments Tracy Towers ko gina so na hwade say nipa ebese 1000 ete efie ba akopemu nipa da sani na trance and wadwene no yesa. Even you go to the Ivory Coast over here Ivory Coast ha one more time some by skyscrapers no ebi edan atenten no. But when the construction ideas say what's idea anymore. Say the Ghana ha edan we na esi a you two amena ko form den near de cement ni de ban near de asisi so you wia ya cast so cement ni anwea oh mercy for ebe hwere ya cast ade ni nyina so ansa na asase esi edan. I was probing into the skyscraping system now what Ivory Coast no, and do you know what? Sada ten no I can want some so Asia in foundation. Can you believe that? There is no foundation. More we amazing for no. You are not learning anything. Tete no hono and one and I just no I blog says inches etam. I abrosa inchi see a dada and yam no adana yam. Na eguso sa I'm giving it to you. Go and do the research. A that ten what Abidjan no yenye foundation. Edanu mui. Is this your? That is what your brain can do. So what are you going to use your brains to do out there? A difference and I'll make a chrome. What crana say? What community ho na atre e dia call my Ghana enyina mu. Medafopa awuche Ghana ye here enkrofo a omo ideas bebre. This world is moved by people with ideas. I'm not start to be no kasa. We are see to on say ye person dia dinner kwa we be we so be ya he or she did practically nothing. But this world is moved by people with ideas. Positive ideas. And your idea, our plan is how we will be there. As a connection go through a ribalao, or will be there. No, Bibini again, no. But how Jane would call you will be there and make a show, sir. Who bet me there, baby, positively. At the show, Yanko for the Conquani Monyam, at the society and your home for so. I'm in Shira at now we hear and no ma. We are Bama Nabe Waja, and Shrabet was a for no as a for so. Oh, sorry for the generational curse. Me what you say? Sika nya odi anu akofa. E na ade hwe wo ba school e curse. Sika nya odi a no aya na bedi ho e na ade si dan eja wo yire no ma. Wo ye dipa bone for. Wa ha wo ma no. Na ye Kristo de sa won ti sa dynamics ya se a. Wo ti ya se ye den. Sika biara enya odi a e ma no medi ho. You are cursing your own generation. Adie biara anya odia emu wani mre Yankopon kan simple in the 10 commandments emu wani mre obi ade wo ye ne sa pe wo trouble say niema we nom ena nipa bebre di akire e wo wiase onyame etumi hira nipa ena obonsam etumi dada nipa with hunam fam eniema sane ma miedu no e wo ho twasa wo ti ase sa wo pesa wo nya bibi genuine ye adwuma a eye genuine. With dealings, I will deal with people no, should be genuine. na azan die biara ni hono mo a obeye e wasase so a o ka se wa ya awie waja hokọ onim nyame nti na ohuru bibi sa pe na nia ye se ko we kura manyini chen no na me call school ja no e na de ben number 1 se Nyankopon na ehira nipa no ade na betumi ayo wutumi yare. Number 2 so na kwambo ne so na pe ya kwambo ne no pass so no e na so be so ko ba so bi wo problem ne sai eti paduma biya. So vocational training, that is the answer to Ghana the trouble. Say suku abeko abewi a unu say be mensa kade we na metumi aye we ama ye problem no say person solve a ho na ho ye free course school secondary school yi ekwaye science and ban Ghana ha hwe UST e free tena ho na nsa na ma wo say ye afidie etumi wo fufu na nsa na ma hu because makaka gam say me career o mote. The poor mother power say UST Kwame Nkrumah de ban and to me fufuo na Ghana for die and to me nya machine wo fufuo na nipa da sani ade woma ekura no na wogina so na ne maame te ho wasting precious time pan na ye te aba na wo de hye na num na ne hum fifre oh Kwame Nkrumah Ghana na just wa yes ah just wa wo fufu ama na abrofo ti America no wa ye fufu powder wo microwave a 9 minutes na fufu na ready okwa obra azem de say fufu kwa de nya me de nya o de be de sen opedi aba ewom ya ba wom opedi aba wom no de wo ma no tutu agum no eno ne efa no fufu obi ayusu ne brain na wa improve ade no wase no de nya de na nya de fufuo yare nya nkwa ya de ka ho na kire fufuo no na brabo me nuanom ne madafo nam but for me can say you are fearfully and wonderfully created by Jehovah God and adie biara awai wa je say opesa wo ye no you can do it. Yes, how positive thinking is say I can do it. Na de obetumi aye no enya bone ho plan boni biara onipa ye biara obenya so akatua wanya ebe spill over and say wo do ho a na say wo do obusia you will be careful as to the things you do within the 24 hours. Na say obeye bibi genuinely e was asase so using the brains a Nyankopon ade ama wo no a ebe si wo yes sir. Therefore this word ehia enkrofo a omobe revolutionize yen anapai amentwa adwina so sɛ dia wonsa besom ɛwɔ ewiase sɛ obetumi ayɛ no ɛyɛ ayɛ na yɛ nentantam na yɛ with excellence efisa wonim enfie dodo Onyankopɔn de ma wo ɛwɔ saa asase so ɛna obejoku with time. Adolfo said time is money. It has never changed. Always time is money. So he who wastes time wastes money. Osara house wo nisika 24 hours. You can say buhu akonta. Bobu ni say. Tina see the whole day. Dia na ye. Wo akwata wo yonku kiosum. Wo yonku no ye na adwuma no. Wo akwata ni kiosum. Come man and I find the ade rolling say ye de enye and at times they was say o man no kra and de was say una be ni ye kwone nto aba ma wo. At times hu ye una be hu ne ye. Kwone nto ma wo. Wo community a wo tia no wo do paper boss ye nto obi akra niu. Asema me no kan no. Di ade na wa ye asa bato mpo ne ye nto a we beto ma wo. Ya obi enye wo na ye. Odafo a wo tie me. Ye obi bi wo ho betumi aye de show nyame din krokro animonyam. Now, most school for no, yes, opportunity comes, but once. Don't you say that? So more than before, we call vocational schools were Yahoo. No, Bisano. Yeah, just saying. One time, you're here. Over catch-all. Yeah, practical, sir. Yeah, here. And you wouldn't name the one saka. I just said a free one's answer. To the all one term, yes, yeah, my kind of walk on Waba. No teacher for what they tried there, or gas and one no. Na practicals na director first come by no akawie na ye de aba mo amusha kitchen no akwehye ho catering for no me ma mo musika so mo mfanye practicals no mo ye wia no mo achadi obi mfane sika ma wo no ye practicals no wia no o mo adi no fine ne apon ne kofi ewia se nya den ana ewiase nya de wasase so tie provide ano aye no wadi na ya pon ne ekofie na se wiase sa de wiase tie anke wiase nya ya etikai se wenum nyina ye adom enketen a yehu onyankopon ode ayeden ode adom ho ye can say go out there and make your difference, because in setting up that school now I was trying to make a difference. At least I don't know, so your vocational school be free there, I don't know, but I wanted to do that. Now it can be done. I go for the campaign. I say free secondary education. To me, yeah, a very good thing. But intellectually, I sit down and think about it. Is that a big deal? It's not. It's not. So person we are says yeah, I shall say na. Now me who say why would you seek higher then? Why do or do my minor? Now I'm saying Obana Baba G Sika Ghana Sika now the ISR and answer my idea. Uche radio no so NDC for and the end start here and people say there be yen start number here and one of my Sika Modia. Sika Modia. So when you bring ampara there, use your own money. Use well Sika, not for you be near radio. Now Rahosam said constituency now, the whole Ghana do as a constituency, you're trouble. Educational deficiency. It is how they way to me. But then, like me, say, Obi Pasama to Obama NPP. Now you use this argument to the Premier. Maybe you don't have me. Maybe I made the SSC. A free. And I also obey in Jimato. Now what am I? What am I? So you make your difference in this world. Ma difference be and show. Na nipa bebre enyam faswo ewo wo existence. As I say out this way no, me nipa bebre enyam faswo ewo ho. Minim so the say over two trim. Na the two trim a ebebo a say. One fan two trim a ene wa wasam a. Na me ka kire mo. Obi a wa ba catering ewo school mu. Owie na ya to gas cooker, na ya to de ban na de amano. Amanfo boy and say yeah. And obe shia no town no. Na oye different thing. Gas cooker no dey den. Woko takwa woko drew Hilda Hotel de junction no so say pen so a na adranche ba ko yes ade na obi no. Wa ye ni kiosk wasi ho na oye sa take away fast food yi. Adranche to obi na ya dwuma ewo mines mu no ka say oh yes mo akola bi na bia na e fa bada bia no na meto. And I'm say wow fa ikọ ne nko he. No de me ko e de me akọ kira akola no aye ne training no. That is the joy a free at the papa nipa uye mo. The di kana oje me niam na wan fa anya hwe no eno na udi agura obegya papa yo unye biem na uya ere koso na ye ebisanya no kra so obenya bibia 100% da ba me share sa branch ne ababa wa no a ya to niam ma no wan fa anya hwe ni say pe na mabamu abu ba me dama ni ahwa Hilda Hotel junction no say pa afa na me gidi ayeden na wie pe ye. So what do I choose? I want to choose the positive. So in the Bible, only Baba or ye be share on Yamian now or change new society. I did be Jamo and Obama Nehemiah. What's in my and I study and go for to Quack you may Nehemiah, the two cancer or Quack you may to a year Juma or mindful frosso. Now stand Biara Nana Kuma at an my so or 101 or 2 years, sir. Jew for a capital city. A Jerusalem no. Walls. It was a fortified city. A cross city. Yatu war afa hunyina. Ya sa de be ya say obi adin tokofra bontin e ba. Enye easy emfama sa ni pakro no. Nehemiah dwuma e wa himfie, he was gainfully employed. Do ati ya ne say yes Jerusalem walls ni nyina abubu. Bible say abranche eti sa de no obeye disturbed asam no ha no pa ha no a me draw won anim nyina ti one day okosom ohene osom no ohene hwe na nim din no ase malanfo na de no anim ayesa wo problem bi wo ho o say yes I have a problem. Now do you have a problem? Yeah, there you cause a problem pa na your personal problem arade mo ayenda. Yeah, you problem no yare and I make visa and I make examination and I dey ban a nipa a move a wiase e ma no kọ nanim no So because of problem na the people's problem. Nipa nyina problem no ebe the problem. You sit down and think. Say 110 districts. You say the biaka ho say our Ghana ha. Say district bia you free vocational school ewo mu. And nkwala 300 ewo mu a. Nkwala 300 times 110 enka ya he. And when the youth employment buy and ya den. Do you bet me atena say no why bribi no earning a living for himself or for herself. Sometimes I sit down and think about it. You spend all these monies on these people. Some of them very, very ungrateful. And someone will tell Ubeyaro. Or no Nippon also one no. Nano some Nano. Or of Ucheme. Nasasicano, I then own for your baby my Noma. That would be the easiest thing to do. The hardest thing to do is say, Ubetrum Mr. Debbie, the person in Pabebre, and Yami home for so, and we are say, and Sana Mewu, every Sasa season. That is what Jesus did. Obomodis Obama Nipabebre, and home for so. It's an opera, the American say, what has a sea, I know, Eka say. I didn't pass on the Nipa in your also. Now, we intention, and the saying, or problem, and the saying, Jerusalem problem, no, a drop dry over the Hemia, Nenim. Yabisano. Na okade ha no afa ochro letter say open leave yamani leave ohene no amani leave ene otumrika ekọ ni krom okọ ye pe ene okọboaboa emema ene ma ahodefo ano ene oye announcement kire o say emfatakura say Jerusalem krai ye walls yato ewo ho no it say ebubu saa moma ye nsore na yensi saa wall na ebubu no. Man for say yeah. And you be there. Now, and just someone I want to Nehemiah chapter 1, okay, verse 4 no, and say, Ebra okodru ya no. Ade kese ba ko eba Nehemiah abra obom ne say obebo empire. You must attempt something so great for society. You must attempt something so great for your God. That thing is doomed to failure unless God's hands are in it. So we have bribi show nyame animonyam. We have bribi adi change ewiase around you are. Agi say nyame nsa wom. Ti Nehemia bompaye. Wo mo ade woni ahoden eye niam wo wiase no. At the end of the day no o me disappointed. Nipa pi try so be ye niam a ade a wo ye no nyame nsa nim. To na ahoden ya nipa ahoden no wo ya kodu ba bia na pem. Nehemia anya sa. Enti wo Sawrade boa na sa wo kwa fa nyame ekwaye de opasa wo ye no bebre ewo age group mu a o ma boda mu o winti bebre awowo wo mu ni papa no bebre wo yare o da ho chese subamboni binti tiso nyame boa na sa wunya sa akwa we sei no a fa nyame eye wa de opasa wo ye no sa da Nehemia ye na esi ni ye. Nehemia chapter 2 verse 19 and 20. Adie biara wo be si woni so so pesa wo ye na wo di changes a ewiase wo benya ehon critics eti you ready for that. Adie biara say papa nko ade a na wo pesa wo ye e wo sa ewiase mu a wo benya ehon critics, wo benya both open enemies and secret enemies. Eti no so fatu trim open enemy there, so I know who can do any chi. Me boy, do you dangerous and secret enemy, as if but not. What that one na? You started our school some for this years now. You was say be hold mo a wo tia na ni mini an say we eno ka say tutum pa ba bi tan adwo ho me. Obi ani abre na wo pe abrabopa e dia ma wo no. Asem bi ho a wo te say free school ni ho. Say free parent ho. Say baby free ensam. Na nyame anom wa oh masa wo beja de wo ye no. Awraho sam say wo jaye a akwa no ode na no eye sa no ade na wo jaye no ontumi nye. Enti waye ewiase nyina saboteur. Wone de ade saye nko a ene ope. Enti Nehemia kowura Jerusalem no. Sanballat ani Tobia ete say obi abasa obesi the walls of Jerusalem pe and omo sha say oh was it then Adia bupum panimfom pantimi anya benya na cha so bere we kakra ya wuye kwa se bomoti mpo oforo a ebebu agufam. The starting school no say yes on Church of Christ yes yemfa e ho de yes sa on Church of Christ. Meanwhile uko school mo ha enkramofo nyina we school yes udi agro pe ubejai se BBC woni so a some of the times waso we twa sa we den usi no Solomon nyansafo ne se wo anya sa wo bete se obi a oye below you pa no na wo kese obi a jesa woni ne gina ya anya bia no wo keka nsam a enye enti ade biara de besi woni so e wo sa asase so no se wo anhwe ye na utietie enipa ano wo beja de wo ye asa ye papa ya enen kwa na sasem no ehase Obani Kwesi Mahu, what did he do? Ashanti region, Krobi or Hefan Secha Dumase, I want to know free. Now, Papa and the hoarding. Now, a crassy and so no ayasano, ya fro bepo. Who console him, Ubesane? Uswan swan and one fro beposa Ansana. Anna Kwesi Mahu, what bona Nakurano, what see our bepono esroho. Kidoya and say. Sir, Ufro Bepono, Ufro Formula, and Afro Bepona, and Sucom de Wa. Who do what? Who do I know the Sojina anymore? Open so Sucom de Wana. Was it Anna now or the amount no one? And Crawford Bonabasso, Quasima, who they are, there was who they are, now our secret enemies. Adio, you will be a young time. Who do they make a work? Koswa, see Aquana Kuma. In other words, don't stop it. Tenakuma. Oh, who are no open the check of Pimdam from Pimdine? Don't stop it. After all, you're not doing it for him or her. Wouldn't the entire way the way no? Kwasima who Abriwabi and was soon Yama and what do we panasia? Ne who are they who are called J and Yamano Aswa Bepanasio, nor the Yamano nor the Afro Bepono. Now, Abriwadi Kaka, or the Yamano the Aswa. Acquire Papa, ya. Dakro and one Casayare. Malaria therefore I didn't jump akwasi na oni obi a woni nete awa krana se ho etu ama bucket so obekwa kwasa nsuo ewo efom ho okọ oya na adwo so wasa nsuo na ode mo hene a enye kwinkuro na akwasi mahu wabu atu nsuo ni mu birim frafo mo ba edu akwasi ma na akwasi ma dabro yare hwim no atwam kọ wono a wote wa wase wo ye papa no we du ha ne wa ala ko den se mo gara na wo ye de ni hwim no okọ woso ba ya papa bede na ye ani sumna ya de ba soawo so de mo amuni mota ye no de soa teacher for sa na bedru me so woso wo mobo na wo bo ano na no nye mobo a chichi bede pa no de asoa yi wa no ba bi enyi minu anam Kwasi Mahu edade mu afede ehu yansa chesa kwansa wawu dia ane mumye manu so emfiri so odimu ye mfa no nkọ esoro ho ne mo enko to ne dan mo e wona kura na se wona busuafo hu de ebe we bedu ho no Kwasi Mahu ani mudududu akwa we ani mudududu kromo mrante nyina betwa hia won so animu ye ma Kwasi Mahu so ye mfa no nkọ so ho no obi asini mu odododo enti afede ye toato adwene e de anya ne den idea ni nyina nsa ne mumye mpa homa ye mfa ncheche ne body no na ni mo odudu ye ntumi no na ye ntwena se ye mfa mfro bepo no surprisingly no mo agasem na tum ne de ahoma adwodworo oni papa a all try say obeya de papa ama society no chechire efu no ana ye twena se sa twena sa de fro bepo no na efu a ne ho esan tutu akuro eka ho chenu kodu so na ne hu nyina twitwa papa ye na katua ene bone na wo aso be papa no fatu trim na ye ready so be so asa ne ma wo nyina because the point in this say wo nya wa je so be ye bribi a obi anso nya ohwe no so wo ye wa je so be ye bribi dia ene ye do be target and you leave them ironic they catch adubu ahe bribi or say we shall make the history and leave it for the historians to write it. Yaba abakosam no ni agya ade amama mo abakosam na mo atwero. Menya ida. Wo de mo nku yiro ho de obetu ya bia yiro ho na ye. In your life, go and do that. That is how I do my things. And makwan ema obi enkofa excuse say we can't say inti, we ye say inti. Oni hweyo. Woni hweyo. Wo bibi yonti no, eye ne ya. Wo bibi yonti no, eye ne hi. Na se woni a ama wiase a change etietie nkrofo no e wasa akwan wenum so a enka anya ye. Ti Nehemia agya na adwuma ho no obetena ho no Tobias and Sambalat ed no saa wo ka the book of Nehemia dru baby anom acho letter akwane tare edan ho a wo si wo no hu ede asema am say ye letter bi ababra na ye no wo meeting wase masa adwuma me ye no enya meeting asem why me no obi ani meeting yo order for uteme say bibi pobisi woni so apasa wo yo wanting to make your difference in this world ube face sanema wenum enyina na wo hia Nyankopon ahoden ene nimdia ne ntiase e wasase so na watumi aye de esesa wo ye ya twetwe Nehemia wo kenka atwa kunkunu mu a ekodu ba bia no omde asem ato no so wam say he was guilty of extortion what this car to ma yakonta obi no nya dwuma o da no yakonta kire wo wo no obi abie company asem na wie nyina no say jayo wo jayo so akwa no ntumi nye. So why do you stop it? And yes and fa ha na kwura ha na si ha na jesa maramfo koso na ye de obetumi aye Nehemia ekoso aye na adwuma fe kodu Nehemiah chapter 6 and verse 15 and 16 so kronkron say afere Nehemia ade adwuma ni nyina eba awiye se urade boawo na se wutumi gina dia atamfo ani adofo beye the open enemies and the hidden the secret enemies so wutumi ya na gina tententen e wo de obeye enyina emu a the task will be done dwumadie na ade asi woni so no wo de beko awiye Nehemiah chapter 6 and verse number 15. So the war was finished on the 25th day of Elul in 52 days. Dia ekoso na efa Nehemia eniso enyinara adwuma no ode see na niso no he was able to complete it. Verse 16 no niamfampon. And it happened when all our enemies heard of it, and all the nations around us saw these things, that they were very disheartened in their own eyes, for they perceived that this work was done by our God. Hallelujah. What did you do? You know about area no. I felt it was say, "Asam no be ya tamfo no ya." Akwetu me ayade. Na den tina den ha omo sa. E bi sa omdo wani fam din ya. Plan pa wo mo fa ya pa san kom be sa ade na anya yi. And some keka omo keka ya san kom de be sa ade no na anya yi. Na at the end of the day, dear papa no paso ya no otumi eyo ya no. Asam no be ha atamfo no. Na omo confess say ade no hwemu a e nyame e na yo ye na enye nipa. First, Nehemia prepare na koma. What in the home at to Onyankopon so. The dedication was there. The opposition was there. And he was so determined. So at the end of the question, San wa brabom esasa wo ye. Wo bi ka ho se otamfo nyame. De otawo no, enye oni nyame. Na na asinka nyame so otamfo enye nyame. Ete yiro ho na ye de obetumi aye biara. Na wo ye na so ye successful a. Watamfo hu a ebe ha omo pa. Demom on be confess say. Ade na course no truly na nye wa. Demom eye onyame. Oh, if that is the case, that I want to allow myself to be used by Jehovah. You can allow yourself to be used by God. Wonso ubetumi ama ho kwan. Ama Nyankopon de wa ye bibi. You can make your difference in this world. You can make your difference in society. You can make your difference in your community. And don't forget, you need the dedication. And some of the times, you need the critics. We young crofwa. We move be a biara or back and once and bonnet. We are papa no I come on casa. No bomb what the answer say, Ubachia. No, I bet you good morning. I'm about to be you at time. I'll be my time saying. How many times now about if I'm about some catch was why are there? And I won't be my time. Or of a pa out, Jimmy. A dear Nadia to a come up proso our pass away. Now, we school, then I'll pass away. What pass we are bribi. I just show you Adimoniam. A radio used to say, as you have for the Amai, Monsha, Namoso so, a young Munya Sam for Mancrofor. So, would me enjoy free education. There's a radio one now to me a kiosk. Call now so quite Sarah. Call Bois and Crofor. Na saa de ne unbroken chain na nipa enya ne nua nipa ho odo na yen try see ebetumi amanyankopon fa yen so aye bribie na ambition no enyina no say I want to make my difference in this world onyankopon hira wo de wate no enai na kai say said ya wutie you have been fearfully and wonderfully created. And therefore, you have no excuse not to make your difference in this world. Amen.